Aldona, so he's a candidate. I wish him all the very best, and we have to fight elections.
सर सगळे हे कॅन्डिडेट न्यू येयला पळय आनी आयदनचो मार्केट बांदतले म्हणून तुमच्या टॅन्युअरान कित्याक मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स उरलो सर?
See, as far as the Aldona market is concerned, हांवें सगळी प्रयत्न केल्ली आसा. To the extent खूब मिटिंगां घेतलेली. I've taken a lot of meetings with the Fabrica, also with the Panchayat, and also with the shopkeepers. आमचे tenants पळय ते. की कितें जालां ते somehow they have not come to a settlement. And खूब प्रयत्न, that is one of my works which I was expecting to get done from day one. पूण हांवें तरी सांगलें म्हाका फक्त NOC जाय. हांव तें सांगीत आसा म्हाका NOC फ्रॉम द फॅब्रिका आनी NOC फ्रॉम द पंचायत. तेतून म्हाका NOC मेळता इमिजिएटली हांवें सांगलें आसा फाटल्या दिसांनी की within next 10 to 15 days I will get the work started because I haven't got the money sanctioned for that building 3.5 crores almost for that particular job under through GIDC. So everything is there, only the settlement between the Fabrica and the tenants which are occupying and the Panchayat has to sort it out. So that is between themselves. And खूप प्रयत्न केले हांव घुसलो भितर सांगलें पूण कशें अजून जावंक ना बट फुडल्या टर्नार आमी तें करून घेतले बायको.
ग्लॅन बाब सध्या तुमच्या मतदारसंघात टीएमसीचे किरण तांदूळकर इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करतात तो फरक पडत
ते इलेक्शन ऑन 10th of November गमतलें न्हू कितलो फरक पडटा कितलो फायदो आसता. ऑन 10th of March we will know the results by then. Yes, sir. Thank you.
किती मार्जिन असतं म्हणजे
Winning margin will be good this time. With all the parties around, the winning margin will be good because I've done a lot of work. My connect with the people is very good. आमी केन्ना कोणाक त्रास करना, लोकांक दुखोवंक ना. लोक सांगतात हांव म्हणतात. So you are the right candidate. We know you look at you. Someone BJP करता आमकां full support करता. थोडा आमकां look at me as grand Ticlo. Last 10 years I maintained my, there is no anti-income business as Glen Ticlo is concerned, and people are happy and they think we will get you elected once again. So whatever works are there, we will come in the next 5 years. Main प्रश्न म्हणजे जॉबाचे आणि सांगण्याचे लोकांक काय हरकत ना. आमचे ऑनरेबल सीएम खूप जॉब्स केले, थोडे जाले थोडे फुडें जातले. कोणाचे कितें आसा ते जॉबा बद्दल आमी करता तितलें हांव लोकांक आमचे आल्दोनाच्या लोकांक हेल्प करतलो.